Hello guys, and welcome to another quick tutorial from Vintage Radar. Today I'm going to show you how to switch between the 12-hour display and the 24-hour display, so military time, on your Casio Royale. So the Casio AE-1200WH. So as you can see right here, we have 3 p.m. instead of 15. What we want to do is to make sure that we are in our home screen, so where we have the time and date displayed. In case you are not, press the mode button until you arrive there, right here. And then in this position, I'm going to press and hold the adjust button for around 2 to 3 seconds. We see the seconds flickering, flashing. This means that we can set them, but I'm going to use the mode button in order to toggle between the different options. So I have the DST, then I have the home CT. I can now set the hours, the minutes, and then the next thing is going to be the 12/24-hour display. So as you can see right here, I have the 12-hour display. If I press this button, I'm going to switch to 24-hour display. If you want to switch to the 12-hour display, we are going to press it once again. We have 3 p.m. and now we have 15. I prefer the 24-hour display, so I'm going to leave it just like this. And in order to finalize the process, I'm going to press the adjust button, and voila, we now have the 24-hour display. In case you want to watch the full guide with all the functions and features of the Casio Royale, so the AE-1200WH, I'm going to leave a link in the description box below to the full guide, as well to a video where I'm going to show you how to customize, so how to mod this particular model. And I also have this exact model for sale on our website, vintageradar.com. Make sure to check it out, link in the description box below. We also have thousands of vintage watches for sale, so make sure to check them out. Once again, check out the full guide, the modding video, and make sure to subscribe to this YouTube channel, give it a thumbs up, leave a comment. It really helps the channel grow. Let me know your thoughts, and I'm going to see you guys in the next video.